wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best survival foods. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10, s.o.s. Food Lab Emergency Rations are US Coast Guard approved for use during disasters like floods and earthquakes, and are non-thirst provoking, allowing you to better preserve your water supply. They're not, though, meant as a permanent meal replacement. These are available in cinnamon or coconut flavors and come in durable mylar packaging. However, they have a relatively short 5-year shelf life. At number 9, the Sustain Supply Company Premium Emergency Kit combines all the essentials you'll need in one bag, including healthy nutrition, medical supplies, blankets, and a first aid guide. It's a valuable resource to have, even if it's a bit of an investment. It includes 2 filtration straws, a flashlight, and a lantern, but note that the batteries for these are not included. Coming in at number 8 on our list, a package of the Survival Tabs is a great choice for survivalists who won't let celiac disease or an allergy to cereal grains get in the way of their adventures. These chewable tabs are gluten-free and can provide the recommended daily intake of 15 vitamins and minerals. They come in a slim portable pouch and offer a 2-day supply in each bag. However, they probably won't make you feel full. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for survival foods, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, the Augason Farms collection will help you adapt to any situation by offering a comforting bowl of hearty chicken soup or maple brown sugar oatmeal to fill an empty stomach, along with a daily meal planner to make sure you're getting the most out of your purchase. It's great for RV and boating trips and can feed one person for 30 days, but the individual packages are delicate. Moving up our list to number 6, even the highest quality emergency rations are no substitute for fresh, naturally grown food, which is where the Open Seed Vault Survival Garden comes in. An assortment of 32 cultivars offers the opportunity to plant your own garden and become totally self-reliant. It includes a helpful growing guide and an airtight, moisture-proof bag. However, of course, it doesn't provide instant sustenance. Halfway up our list at number 5, shipped in an ammo can that can be securely stashed under the bed or in a closet, the Patriot Pantry 1 Week is full of home-style dinners and breakfasts for quick access in an emergency. Expect to need 2.5 gallons of water to prepare the entire kit. It's equipped with zip closures to save leftovers and provides 1,500 calories per day. The box has a sturdy gasket seal. At number 4, if you've got 15 minutes and fresh H2O, you've got everything necessary to prepare a full meal with the Wise Company Variety Pack. You don't even need a heat source to have plenty to eat, and the dehydrated entrees and snacks keep for up to 25 years. It's all packed in a single pail, and there are powdered drinks options. However, some of the pouches are too big at 8 servings. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, for hunters, sailors, and outdoorsy types, military surplus MREs provide a reliable assortment of individual rations, just like those used by the armed forces. Shelf life varies, but units are marked with packing and inspection dates. These feature water-activated flameless heat and an accessories pack with seasonings. They provide an average of 1,250 calories per meal. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for survival foods, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, if you're concerned about potentially harmful ingredients, you'll appreciate that numanna INT contains no GMOs, soy, MSG, aspartame, or high fructose corn syrup, offering peace of mind that you can still have safe and healthy nutrition in the event of a natural disaster. You get 6 servings per package and diverse food options. It's suitable for long-term storage. And taking the top spot on our list, containing enough sustenance for 3.5 days, the Mountain House Essential Bucket is ideal for having on hand in case you get snowed in or find yourself dealing with another tricky type of situation. Just add water and heat to enjoy tasty foods like spaghetti. It boasts a 30-year taste guarantee and a reusable clear bucket. It's lightweight and easy to store. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for survival foods, or simply click beneath this video.